Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to RadioSilentPlay.com. I am your moderator for today on Saturday, March 5th, 2016. Let me start off by saying I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own due diligence before trading any stock or options. Trading stocks and options require lots of risk. So I'm going to go over some of the OTCs. This has just been a very strong month, start of March, also ending of February into 2016. We were kind of lackluster, but we've kind of gained ground. I'm going to go over several stocks that have triggered in the past and have brought huge potentials and huge profits. If you want to join us, just join us free on RadioSilentPlay.com. I'm going to first go over ticker symbol UPZS. This was first initially sent out in November timeframe. This was a stock that was pretty much dry. That's Unique Pizza and Subs Corporation. This was a revenue producing stock, low share structure, and I just like the levels when I sent it out. This was back in November 2015. This actually triggered on in December, like early mid-December. It gave us a low of 0.0022. So that triggered 23.25. If you come see and you notice now, the stock rallied and it kind of hit that 0.015 on March. I'm going to go over the stock right now. This was the time frame that we were accumulating the stock. It was just lackluster. There wasn't that much volume. But if you notice from that level, then the stock just started stair-stepping and it just gave a beautiful move up to 0.015. Now you're starting to see a nice uptrend here on this stock. If you notice here, you're in this pattern here, and the stock is pretty much giving a nice parallel channel. And what we're looking at now is looking at that 21-day moving average at 0.008 for that re-entry. So watch that 0.0075 to 0.008 level. Just a beautiful move here from that 0.002 to 0.003. As I've mentioned a lot to my traders, usually you want to buy these stocks when they're hated, when they're untouched. If you know that the stock has a low share structure, you feel comfortable holding on to the stock. So if you want, this is free to members. This is our trading journal, which we just started doing pretty much at the end of last year, where we update and we archive every bit of our setups. So I want traders to just kind of come on board. There's a lot of free content on the website. That's RadioSilentPlay.com. Next ticker symbol is the ticker symbol NWTR. This was posted on our last weekly watch list. I told traders to watch that 12 to 16 level. But if that 16 level was at a strong support, which I noticed on Monday, Tuesday, I actually sent out and triggered the stock on March 2nd, 2016. We entered the stock from 18 to 24, which was a nice channel. It reminded me a lot of the LEAS stock, and the stock ended up breaking that key pivot of 0.0032. If you come over here to the stock now, the stock is trading up here, and it kissed that 0.0115 level. Now what we want to see is basically a bullish inside flag pattern. This is one of the strongest signals in the market. I'm looking for a potential test of that retrace level. If you want to know what the retrace level is, just join us on RadioSilentPlay.com, where I explain what retrace levels are, how we kind of figure it out. What I'm looking for now is that 21-day moving average support at that 0.00334 level. That's where you want to kind of hold your support level at that NWTR. Okay, so watch the move here for a bullish inside flag pattern, and watch for a potential pullback and then a re-add here on the NWTR. Just a beautiful move. This is New Western Energy Corp. If you notice, a lot of these energy stocks have been rallying. Okay, so this is just a beautiful move on the NWTR. If you want to know the levels, just come on and go to the trading journal, and I specifically break down the stock in writing. Okay, next stock is ticker symbol NUUU. This was a stock that did a move one from 20 to 0.006, kissed that level of 19. The stock rallied and hit a level. I was looking at this stock again. It actually re-triggered our entry on March 2nd, 2016. If you come over here on the NUUU, this actually triggered. I was talking to traders, posted it on the weekly watch list this previous Sunday, and the stock rallied and hit that high of 0.0071. Now what you're noticing is a close at the low of the day, but into the 21 and 8-day moving average. So watch that 0.003 level as support. If it kisses that 0.003, maybe 25, that could be a nice entry here for that pullback. If you see that 21, the 8-day moving average is moving into that 21-day moving average, what we want to see is a potential break higher. Sometimes traders are very impatient. The stock rallied. I expected the stock to close 2 days confirmation above that 0.006. It didn't, but now it's pulling back. Okay, so that's a beautiful move. 2 times. It's an ATM trade for our RSP loyal traders. Okay, next ticker symbol is ticker symbol APYP. This was a stock that I talked about. This actually triggered here for us on February 16th. Okay, it gave us an entry from 13 to 15. Kissed that 12 level as well. Not too many shares went through. If you notice here, the stock then, I talked about this key level, this channel. Okay, same basic move, which is the line of symmetry trade. It actually kissed that level, gave us an opportunity to add. And if you notice here, okay, we've actually hit a high of 0.0059. If you look at the weekly chart, okay, there's a lot of room here now. You've closed above 0.003. I want to see that confirmation close above 0.003 again. I do expect this stock to potentially hit 0.01. There's a lot of room for this low share structure stock, and there is a gap fill here at that 0.02 level. So I want traders to keep an eye on ticker symbol APYP. Just a beautiful move. Okay, hit a high of 0.0059 on April 4th, 2016. This is a mobile app. They make mobile apps for Apple and Google Android. Okay, so this was just a beautiful move. Next ticker symbol is ticker symbol MXSG. You had 3 moves. This has been an ATM trade from that 15, hit a high of 33. Then it triggered a re-entry at 15, hit a high of 47. And if you notice here, we hit a high of 0.0095 on March 3rd. So what I'm seeing here is watch that potential retrace and rinse and repeat entry if it gives us a re-entry here at that 0.005 level. Okay, that's going to be a key level of support. So watch that support here on the MXSG right here at that 0.004, 0.0048 level. I think this is going to be a good buy opportunity if it kind of pulls back, kisses at 0.004. That's where I'm going to have my bid support in for that re-entry. Just a beautiful move from that 15 to 18 level, hitting that high of 0.0095. Just a beautiful move on the MXSG. This is a gold stock, and if you notice, gold has been in a tear as of late. Okay, next ticker symbol is ticker symbol NESV. This was a stock that we actually stopped out on 2 days, closed below that 0.001 level. Then I told traders to watch that 50% retrace level. Gave us an entry at that 6-7 level on February 27th and the 29th, and then it hits a high of 0.0027. Just a beautiful move on the NESV. Now what we want to see is any pullback down to this 12-13 level is going to be a re-entry. So what I'm noticing here is, okay, you're seeing that the NESV is kind of setting up a potential pullback. Watch that flag pattern here, and I'm looking at that 12-13 level for a re-entry here on the NESV. I want the stock to potentially break above that that 50-day moving average at that 0.0022 level. Okay, next ticker symbol is ticker symbol WRFX. There is no trade on stock charts, but this was a stock that I saw traders were posting at that 18-19 level. I saw that there was no support at that 15, and I told traders if that stock closes below 15, guess what? We're going down. So the stock ended up getting alerted at that 11-12, just a perfect entry. Then the stock rallied and hit a high of 0.002526. So now what I want to see this stock do is potentially pull back, give us a re-entry here. The key level of support now is that 15 level. So if you want to place your bids in at 13 to 15, traders always ensure to lock profits on the way up. Those that were trying to get fooled to buy the 19-20 levels, again, I always say pay attention to your levels. Okay, the stock kissed that 15 level, gave us that 11-12. Now it's confirmed close above 15. I think that 15 now will hold. Okay, what we want to see this stock do is close above that 26 level on 2 consecutive closes. Just a beautiful move here on the WRFX. Next ticker symbol is ticker symbol AEXE. Okay, this was a stock that I told traders gave us a move 1 of 16 to 0.0044, then pulled back, gave us an entry from 0.002, and then the stock closed at the high of the day and high of the week at 3.9. If you notice here, just a beautiful rounded bottom here, and what you're seeing is you're seeing that 8-day moving average move into that 21-day moving average. This stock is by far it's not done. Okay, I do expect this stock to at one point hit that 0.01 level, so that is our target. If you notice here, this stock is vastly oversold at the RSI at 29. Okay, you got this beautiful rounded bottom. Now watch this stock potentially close above that 0.0044 level on 2 consecutive closes. Then I wouldn't be surprised if this testing that 0.0128 level. Okay, next ticker symbol, okay, is ticker symbol Icnv. This was another stock that traders were trying to accumulate above that 16, 18 level. I said if the stock closes below 15 2 times, it's coming down, and it actually did. Gave us an entry at that 11.12 on February 22nd, 2016, then broke out and gave us a high of 0.0027. When it hit 2.7, I told traders, watch that resistance at 2.6. I said, get ready for that re-entry at 13.15. Hit that 13.15 and closed at 19, hitting a high of 20. So these are the levels that you're trading. I know traders will say, hey, you're just a flipper. This is trading, and this is how you attack the market, especially with some volatility. That's how you make money in the market. If you want to know how to make money in the market while avoiding the noise, the hype on social media outlets, on Facebook, and secret on trading rooms, just join us at radiosilentplay.com. Okay, next ticker symbol is the NWPN. This was a stock that I said, wait, be very, very patient. We've traded this several times. On the weekend, I posted this bullish inside flag pattern. If you don't know what that is, again, join us at radiosilentplay.com. This actually triggered and kissed that 25 level, okay, and then rallied, hitting a high of 0.0095. Just a beautiful move here. What you want to see this stock do is close above that 0.005 2 times. It closed at 0.004. Now watch that retrace re-entry and do it again. 0.002 to 0.0025 until it stops out below 0.002. That's Now Corp OTC, okay? That's the NWPN. Another ticker symbol, I was looking for that 9 to 12 level, never really confirmed it, but gave us an entry at that 15 level, was the AWGI. The low of the day was at 0.0015 on February 24, 2016, and then we hit a high of 0.0058. Watch the retrace to that 21 and 8-day moving average at 0.002427. Okay, that's probably going to give you a re-entry here and a potential retest and break of that 0.0058 level. Okay, so that's your setup here on the AWGI. Okay, next ticker symbol is ticker symbol BFRE. This was a ×2 trade. Gave us an entry first from that 11, hitting that high of 32, then triggered again at 0.001 to 0.0013. If you notice here, then rallied, hitting a high of that 0.0029 level. Now what I want to see is this stock close above this key trend line here at 17. We want to see 2 close confirmations above that 19 level. If we do get that, I wouldn't be surprised to at some point test this 0.0045 to 0.01 level. Okay, just a beautiful move. Okay, here on the BFRE, that's Blue Fire Renewables. That's a ×2 trade. Okay, moving back, like I said, watch this potential flag pattern here on the AWGI. Again, this triggered here at that 15 level. Now what we want to see is a bullish inside flag pattern. Watch that 0.0025 for key support. The ICNV as well. What I want to see this stock do is close above this level here at that 0.0026 level 2 times to confirm this break of this downtrend channel. Okay, so these are your setups here for the OTCs. I will go over next video on the small caps and options. Okay, if you want to know what our weekly watch list is this week, a very strong week into next week, just join us at radiosilentplay.com. I am going to have a webinar Sunday night at 10:35 p.m. Eastern. If you want to be part of that webinar, just join us and you'll be able to attend. Okay, take care, everyone.